Hey, second graders. Welcome to our Read Aloud for today. Today I will be reading the story titled Wild Weather by Seymour Simon. This is an expository text, which means it gives information and facts about a topic and has text features. Our essential question for the week was, how does weather affect us? Yesterday, you all shared a lot of different ways that weather affects you on our Flipgrid. As we read this story, we are going to learn about how stormy weather affects people and places. Before I read, I'm going to look at the photo on this page. I see there are dark clouds looming in the distance, and I wonder what kind of weather that will bring. Will it bring a storm, rain, hail, or even a tornado? Let's read on to find out. Follow along as I read aloud. Air is all around us. The air moves and winds blow. Changes in the air are called weather. Sometimes weather is sunny and fair. Other times it's cloudy and rainy. Storms are sudden, harsh changes in the weather. Thunderstorms. A thunderstorm is a heavy rain shower. In a few minutes, a big thunderstorm can drop millions of gallons of water. Hundreds of thunderstorms pop up every second somewhere around the world. These storms have lightning. Thunder is the sound of lightning. Lightning. Lightning is a giant spark of electricity. A bolt of lightning is 6 to 10 miles long, but only as thick as your finger. Lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. A bolt of lightning can be very dangerous and cause harm. The heat of a lightning bolt can set fire to a tree or a house. Would you like to know how far away the lightning you see is? Count the number of seconds between the lightning flash and the clap of thunder. Every 5 seconds equals 1 mile away. If thunder booms a second or two after you see lightning, that's a warning. The sound means that the lightning bolt is very close to you. How lightning works. Cold air sinks, hot air rises. Electrical charges build up between the ground and cloud. Second graders, before I move on, I want to draw your attention to the text features on this page. I see there are subheadings. The subheadings are thunderstorms and lightning. That tells me that each of those paragraphs are going to be about thunderstorms or about lightning. I also see a diagram of how lightning works, showing how cold air and hot air swirl together to create lightning. Tornadoes. Thunderstorms sometimes give birth to a string of tornadoes or twisters. Dark, twisting tornadoes reach downward from the storm. The winds in a tornado whirl hundreds of miles per hour. They can lift heavy trucks into the air. They can destroy houses by blowing away their roofs. On May 22, 2011, a tornado a mile wide ripped through the city of Joplin, Missouri. The huge tornado hurt many people. It destroyed buildings and damaged most of the city. And there's a photograph with a caption, which are text features we've been learning about. Let's read the caption to learn more about the picture. The tornado damaged this house in Joplin, Missouri. So you can see, second graders, that the tree limbs are broken off. There is debris everywhere. And the house looks like it has either been tipped over or that might be the top of it that's now on the ground. So tornadoes can be very, very dangerous. Luckily for us in Washington, we do not typically get tornadoes. Let's continue on. Watches and warnings. An early warning on television, radio stations, and the internet helps to save lives. An early alert is called a tornado watch. A tornado warning means that a tornado has been seen. A tornado warning means that you should find shelter. Let's stop and check and practice the skill of asking and answering questions. I see the question reads, what does a tornado warning mean? Go back to the text to find the answer. I see the word warning is bold print, so I can find it easily in the text. And the sentence says, a tornado warning means that a tornado has been seen. So it's no longer a tornado watch because someone has already spotted a real tornado. And that is when it's time to go find shelter, which means go find somewhere safe to hide until the tornado is over. Hurricanes. Hurricanes are the biggest storms of all. They hurt more people and destroy more buildings than all other kinds of storms put together. Hurricanes happen during the summer and early fall. They form over warm ocean waters. Then they move and may reach land. Hurricanes stretch for hundreds of miles. Their dangerous winds blow at speeds between 74 and 200 miles per hour. Waves from the storm may wash away shorelines, boats, and houses. In August 2005, Hurricane Katrina became one of the worst storms in history. Many people in Louisiana were left homeless because of Katrina. The damage to buildings in the city of New Orleans cost billions of dollars. I can see in that photo, looks to me like the city is underwater. Let's read the caption to learn more. Rain from Hurricane Katrina flooded this street in New Orleans. I see a stop and check, second graders, for asking and answering questions. It asks, when do hurricanes happen? Go back to the text to find the answer. Well, I can see about halfway through the first paragraph, it says, hurricanes happen during the summer and early fall. So when do they happen, second graders? That's right, during the summer and early fall, when the ocean waters are the warmest. Blizzards. Hurricanes are warm weather storms. Blizzards are huge winter snowstorms. 2 or 3 inches of snow fall every hour. Temperatures are below freezing. Strong winds blow fiercely. In February 2007, a Valentine's Day blizzard hit the eastern half of North America. Heavy snowfalls blanketed much of the country. Some places had up to 4 feet of snow. Millions of homes lost power for days. Thousands of people were stuck in airports and on snowy highways. No one can prevent a storm. Stormy weather can happen anywhere. Someday, you and your family may be in a big storm. If you know what to do in advance, you will be safer when the next storm strikes. And there is a sidebar on this page, second graders, labeled Safety Tips. I think in this sidebar, we are going to learn some tips to stay safe during a storm. Let's read. Here are some storm safety tips for you and your family. Stay inside during strong storms. Keep a storm safety kit with bottled water and flashlights handy. Stay away from windows. Stay away from downed power lines. All right, second graders, that is our story for the day. Be sure to answer the question above and reply on our class discussion post. We will look at this story again tomorrow when we fill out our comprehension skill of main idea and key details with this story. I hope you enjoyed it.